Hi, it's Larry Gaines from Options on the Open. Well, I hope you guys had a great week trading. It was kind of a crazy week, very slow. We'd have very specific patterns where the market wouldn't trade at all, but all in all, we had a great week at Options on the Open. And in this video, I want to go through some trade setups that we had today on Apple, and this is on the Friday, August the 17th. And I'm going to go through these trade setups just to show you how accurate our power cycle trading model is that we use for all of our trading. And we use this trading model for all of our day trading and for swing trading and long-term macro type of investing. So I'm going to go through these trades and show you the setups and how clean and clear they are. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and I hope you will come check us out at Options on the Open and check us out on the Power Cycle Trading Model. But before I get started, if you'd like my free ebook on 15 option trading strategies, go to my homepage here, optionsontheopen.com. Just put in your first name or last name, and just put in your email address, and I'll send you this. You'll get it right on the spot. Now the other thing too, let me just one second. Just around the corner, I'll be speaking on actually September the 14th, Friday, September the 14th at 11 o'clock. I'll be speaking at the Forex and Option Expo put on by the Money Show in Las Vegas. And if you get a chance, if you're at the Money Show, please come by and watch my presentation and come by and meet me. I'd love to spend some time with you and talk to you. So please take note of this. It's the Money Show. They're having this Forex and Option Expo September 13th through the 15th at the Paris Hotel, Las Vegas, Nevada. And you can see this on my website if you'd like to go. It's free. Registration is free. So let's get started. I'm going to show you these Apple setups real quick. Now, at Options on the Open, we're not just about options. We're also trading futures, stocks, and ETFs. Quite a few of our members trade just futures only. And everybody uses the power cycle trading model, for their various trades. And I've adopted the system really to do a lot of weekly option trading using Apple options, and it really works great because it's a really tight bid-offer spread on the weekly options that you can trade. And in order to have a really good trading system for weekly options, you need a system that is a really great, highly accurate directional trading or timing system, and that's what we have with the power cycle trading model. So we've been trading, Apple here, the daily. You can just see this tremendous trend it's had up since middle of May, and you can see the range on Apple. I mean, it has, the average range is about $8 to $10, and some days you'll have $12 or $15 trading ranges. So when you have these ranges like this, day trading is fantastic because you've got a lot of trade setups if you have a good system. So if you get a really good system and you can trade all these moves up, it adds up to cumulative big gains for your trading account. So the next slide I'm going to show you is some of the day trade setups that we had just today on Friday. Now the power cycle trading model, the system is based on a 4-step price cycle trading model, and it uses 4 powerful indicators to signal a price cycle change, and it does this by define price range, price volatility, change in price cycle, and change in price cycle momentum. So I put the system together with these 4 primary indicators that I use and incorporate to create this model, and then we also have other indicators that we've added to the system to help identify and get us into breakout trades, trend trades that are breaking out, momentum trades that are breaking out. So the trades I'm going to show you here today are just based on cycle trades. These are what we call cycle low, cycle high. And the system that we use, we'll use 2 different time frames, at least on a minimum basis, 2 different time frames. We use one time frame we call the confirming time frame, and the second is the trigger. and so we use various time intervals and tick intervals. So on this particular chart, I'm just going to show you just the entries only, and these were taken today, and these arrows were put in to identify exactly where the system had the entries. So the first entry of the day, it's really active on the open, and this came at 8:34 Central. Here was a long, came in around 640 bucks, had a nice move up. You can see it got all the way up to a high of 641.80, then pulled back. Here's the second signal of the day. This came at 8:46, and it got in around 641.70ish. Had a nice little move up to 642.5, almost $1. So these are, quick. Some of these trades are very quick in and out trades. So I'm going to go scroll through here, show you all the setups just for today. Those are two longs, and you can see how that just really exploded up. And then here's a short trade that the system gave an entry for. So this is a cycle high. You can see how it cycled up here, chopped around, and this trade came at 9:05 Central. Had a really nice breakdown there, and then there was a reverse trade here, another cycle low, came at 9:10 Central. Nice pop back to the upside. And then had another really nice cycle low trade here at 9:49 Central, right here. Really took off. Cycle high trade here. This came at 11:23 Central. Really hard move down. Apple's not easy to short either when it's in these uptrends. A nice cycle low trade here at 12:07 Central, right here. Nailed it. Another cycle high trade right here. Came at 14:07. That's 2:07 Central. And the last trade of the day was right here at 14:38 at 2:38 Central, and then it just really took off. So it was a really exciting day. A lot of really clean, good setups on Apple. But this is just Apple, so the system, again, we use it for the NASDAQ 100 futures, ES futures, gold futures, crude futures. So if you need some help in your trading, you need better entries, better exits, you need better timing on what you're doing. If it's either day trading, swing trading, or longer term trading, the system will definitely give you some great help and really enhance your trading. So come join us at optionsontheopen.com. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading next week.